need to restrict access to specific FastMCP tools based on user roles, like admin-only operations. You'll see exactly how to implement role-based authorization using AWS Cognito groups, where a single decorator and token check enforce strict access control, no complex middleware required.
From FastMCP server dependencies, import getAccessToken. At MCP tool. Async def admin-only tool, SDR. A tool only available to admin users. Token equals getAccessToken. User groups equals token claims get Cognito groups. If admin, not in user groups. Raise value error. This tool requires admin access. Return admin access granted.
This demonstrates role-based access control using JWT claims, a common pattern in modern authentication systems. The code shows how to restrict tool access based on user group membership stored in AWS Cognito tokens, where authorization logic lives alongside the protected resource rather than in a separate layer. What makes this distinctive is the declarative approach to security access rules are expressed as simple conditional checks against token claims. The pattern works by leveraging the JWT token as a portable identity container that carries both authentication and authorization data. When a user authenticates through AWS Cognito, their group memberships are embedded in the token as claims, which the server then inspects at runtime without additional database lookups. This creates a stateless authorization system where each request carries its own permission context, enabling horizontal scaling without session affinity. This approach matters because it cleanly separates authentication from authorization while maintaining security. By pushing group membership checks into the token itself, you eliminate the need for complex permission databases or repeated API calls to check user roles. It's particularly valuable for microservices architectures, where you want to keep authorization logic simple and self-contained within each service, while still maintaining enterprise-grade security through centralized identity management. Let's break it down line by line.
From FastMCP server dependencies, import getAccessToken.
This imports getAccessToken, a dependency injection function that retrieves the current user's authentication token. It's the standard way to access user claims in FastMCP tools, ensuring secure authorization checks.
At MCP tool. Async def admin-only tool, SDR. A tool only available to admin users.
The @MCP tool decorator registers this async function as an AI-callable tool in FastMCP. The docstring and type hint define its schema, exposing it to AI models with strict input-output contracts. This pattern enforces explicit tool definitions, preventing accidental exposure of internal functions.
Token equals getAccessToken.
This retrieves the current access token from the request context. FastMCP injects this dependency automatically, providing authenticated user credentials for authorization checks.
User groups equals token claims get Cognito groups.
This extracts the user's group memberships from the JWT token's claims. The Cognito groups claim contains the user's assigned groups, defaulting to an empty list if missing, which prevents key error while maintaining strict access control.
If admin, not in user groups.
This performs authorization by checking if the admin group is present in the user's claims. Without this check, any authenticated user could access admin-only functionality, creating a security vulnerability. The pattern is standard for role-based access control in JWT-based systems.
Raise value error. This tool requires admin access.
This raises a value error when non-admin users attempt access, enforcing strict authorization. It's a security guard clause that fails fast, preventing unauthorized execution before any sensitive operations occur. The pattern ensures clean control flow by terminating early with a clear error message.
Return admin access granted.
This returns the success message after passing all authorization checks. It serves as the final confirmation that admin privileges were properly validated, completing the tool's execution flow. The string response becomes the tool's output to the calling AI model. FastMCP role-based access. The MCP tool decorator combined with getAccessToken creates a seamless bridge between Python functions and enterprise-grade authorization, where AWS Cognito groups become Python-level permissions. Admin checks must happen before any operation to prevent partial execution with insufficient privileges. This pattern turns identity providers into first-class citizens in your tool design.
The tool that knows no user becomes every user.